Hey there, beautiful friends. Let's make English listening simple and enjoyable today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, and Emma is here too.
Hello. So happy to be here.
Today, we have a question for you. A big question.
Why does your brain throw away English so fast?
Yes, you learn a word, you feel happy, and then gone. The word is gone.
I know this feeling so well.
Tell me, how are you today, by the way?
I'm good, but a little annoyed.
Annoyed? Why?
I learned a new word yesterday, a really good word. I was so proud of myself.
What was the word?
That's the problem. I can't remember. And today I forgot it completely.
That is perfect. That is exactly our topic today.
I know. It is so frustrating. I studied, I understood it, and now nothing.
This happens to everyone, even me,
Really? Even you, Jack?
all the time. I learn 10 new words. The next day, I remember maybe 3.
Only 3? That sounds bad.
It felt bad at first, but then I learned why this happens, and it made me feel better.
Tell me, why does this happen?
Our brain forgets things on purpose. It is normal. It is not your mistake.
Wait, on purpose? Why would the brain want to forget?
Because the brain cannot keep everything. There is too much information every day.
So it throws away things it thinks are not important?
Yes, and new words feel not important to the brain at first.
That makes sense. The brain doesn't know this word will be useful.
Right. The brain thinks, I saw this word one time. Maybe I don't need it.
And then, gone.
Exactly. This is called forgetting, and there is even a name for how fast we forget.
Really? There's a name for it?
Yes, some smart people studied this a long time ago. They found out we forget very fast at first.
How fast?
In the first day, you can forget more than half of new information.
More than half? In one day?
Yes, that is normal. Don't feel bad about it.
Okay, that actually makes me feel a little better. So I am not bad at learning. My brain is just doing its normal job.
Exactly. Your brain is not broken, it is just being a brain.
I like that. It is just being a brain.
But here's the good news. You can train your brain to forget less.
How? Tell me everything.
Okay, let me tell you a story first, a funny one.
I love your stories. Go on.
So one time, I learned the word umbrella. I was so happy I used it in a sentence right away.
Good job.
But the next day, someone asked me, "What do you call that thing you use in the rain?"
And?
I could not remember. Nothing. My brain just said no to that word.
After one day?
After one day, I learned it, I used it, and then gone, like it never happened.
That is so frustrating. What did you do?
I felt really annoyed, but then I understood. I only saw the word one time, One time is not enough.
So you need to see a word more than once.
Yes, this is the key. The brain needs to see a word again and again to keep it.
How many times?
Not just one, maybe 5 times, maybe 10 times, in different days.
So it's not about learning fast, it's about coming back to the word.
Exactly. Coming back again and again. That is how the brain decides, okay, this is important. I will keep it.
I love that idea. Like the word needs to prove it is important.
Yes, the word needs to prove itself to your brain.
Okay, so what is the best way to do this, to come back to words?
There's something called spaced repetition. Do you know this term?
I've heard it, but explain it simply for our listeners.
Okay, it means you look at a word today, then again in 2 days, then again in 5 days, then again in 2 weeks.
So you don't study it every day in a row.
No, you take small breaks, and each time you come back, your memory gets stronger.
That feels strange. I always thought more studying every day was better.
It feels that way, but the brain actually likes small breaks between reviews.
That's interesting. So a small break actually helps.
Yes, a short break and then a return helps your brain remember better than studying every minute in a row.
I want to try this. How do people use this idea?
Some people use cards, word on one side, meaning on the other side.
Like old paper cards?
Yes, or apps on the phone now. You look at a card. If you remember the word, you see it again later. If you forget it, you see it sooner.
That sounds smart. The app knows when you need a review.
Exactly. And by the way, review is a great word here. You don't study new words only. You review old ones too.
To be honest, I never review old words. I always look for new ones.
That is a common mistake. New words feel exciting, but review is what keeps words in your brain.
Okay, I need to change my habit then.
Yes, reviewing old words is just as important as learning new ones.
Tell me, do you have another story about forgetting too? I want one more funny one.
Sure thing. Okay, here's one more. I once learned the word ceiling, the thing above your head in a room. I learned it. I felt proud. A week later, my friend asked me, "What do you call the top of the room?"
And you forgot again?
I said, "The up part." The up part of the room.
The up part. That is so funny.
My friend laughed so hard, I felt embarrassed, but I never forgot the word ceiling after that.
Because the embarrassing moment helped your brain remember.
Exactly. Strong feelings help memory. If something feels funny or embarrassing, you remember it better.
That is so true. I still remember every embarrassing English mistake I ever made.
Me too. Maybe we should make more embarrassing mistakes on purpose.
That is a strange tip, but okay.
By the way, if you are enjoying this episode, please subscribe. We post new episodes all the time. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
Okay, so we have spaced repetition, we have strong feelings. What else helps memory?
I think using the word helps a lot. Not just reading it, using it.
Yes. If you say the word out loud or write it in a sentence, your brain works harder.
And when the brain works harder, it remembers better.
Exactly. Reading a word is passive. Using a word is active.
Active learning. I like that term.
It means you do something with the word, not just look at it.
Like what? Give me an example.
You can write a sentence. You can say it out loud to a friend. You can even use it in a text message.
So, any way I actively use the word counts.
Yes, the important thing is that your brain has to work to produce the word, not just see it.
So, writing a sentence with a new word is much better than just reading the word in a list.
Much better. That is why we always ask listeners to write a sentence in the comments.
Right. It is not just for fun, it really helps memory.
It connects the word to your own life, your own idea.
And connections help the brain keep information.
Yes, the more connections, the better the memory.
Okay, so to sum up, review old words, use spaced repetition, and use the words actively.
And don't feel bad when you forget a word. It is normal. Even good learners forget a lot.
So basically, we are all just walking around forgetting things, and that's fine.
Pretty much, yeah. Welcome to learning a language.
Okay, I have a question. Does sleep help with memory too?
Yes, actually, sleep is very important for memory.
Why?
Because when you sleep, your brain organizes information from the day. It decides what to keep.
Sounds like the brain is cleaning a room while we sleep.
That's a good picture. It puts important things on the shelf and throws away the rest.
So if I study and then sleep well, I remember better?
Yes, studying right before sleep can actually help a lot.
That is good news for me. I love sleeping.
Me too. So now you have a good reason to sleep more.
I'm going to tell everyone I'm not lazy, I'm improving my English.
That's a great excuse.
Okay, our bonus tip for today. What is it, Jack?
My tip is don't be upset when you forget a word. Just see it again.
Simple advice.
Yes, forgetting is part of learning. It is not the opposite of learning.
I love that. Forgetting is part of the process, not a failure.
Exactly. Just keep coming back to words. They will stay eventually.
Okay, time for our word of the episode. The word is forget.
To forget means a word or information leaves your memory. It is not there anymore.
For example, I forgot her name, or I forgot the word for umbrella. Wait, didn't you forget that exact word in your own story, Jack?
Yes, that was me. Perfect timing for that mistake.
To forget is so normal. We all forget things every day.
Yes, and now you know this word, try to use it in your daily life.
And our word from last episode was improve.
Improve means to get better. something becomes better than before.
Now you know the word improve, too. You can use it whenever you talk or write in English.
Write a sentence in the comments using the word forget. For example, I forgot my keys this morning. Or, don't forget to review your new words.
Write your own sentence. It helps you remember the word much better.
Because you create the example yourself, and that makes a strong connection in your brain.
Okay, beautiful people. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode helped you understand your own brain a little bit better.
If it did, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
New episodes are coming all the time. We are always working on new episodes for you.
Come back soon. We have so much more to talk about.
And remember, forgetting is normal. Just keep coming back to your words.
You're doing better than you think.
Bye-bye, beautiful people.
See you next time.